Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. This is the last episode for the Blue Apron review. Today we're going to be making the Vadouvan chicken and mango chutney sauce with green beans and mustard seed rice. But I 86'd the green beans because the boys don't like green beans, so I'm just not going to waste them. I'll make them with something later on. So the nutrition facts for this are 700 calories, 63 grams of carbs, dietary fiber 4 grams, added sugars 4 grams, total fat 30 grams, saturated fat 9 grams, protein 45 grams, and sodium 850 milligrams. As you guys know, this is, like I said, the last episode of this series. Towards the end of the video, well, this video is going to be it's going to have two parts. So the first part is the prep and the review of the meal, and then the second part is the review of the whole service altogether. And then once I'm done with that review, or the final review, I'll go ahead and let you guys know what delivery service I'm trying next. So stick around to find out. Now let's get into the ingredient list. We have chicken breasts, green beans, as I mentioned, mango chutney, grade A cream, long grain white rice, yellow mustard seeds, Vadouvan curry powder, and that's it. So the first step was the rice. So we are going to, in a small pot, heat 2 teaspoons of olive oil on medium-high until hot. Add the mustard seeds and the rice. Cook, stirring frequently 1 to 2 minutes or until lightly toasted. Add a big pinch of salt and 1 cup of water, carefully as the liquid may spatter or splatter. Stir to combine, heat to boiling on high. Once boiling, reduce the heat to low, cover and cook without stirring 13 to 15 minutes or until the water has been fully absorbed and the rice is tender. So, let's get started. Today we're testing out the mic on this side. I had a sweater on, but then I got hot, so I had to take it off. But it's on this side now, so let's see. Hopefully the shirt doesn't interfere too much. Mustard seeds, rice. And I'm gonna go ahead and get that cup of water ready. So I'm gonna let that sit, and then for now I'm gonna mix the mango chutney and a 1/4 cup of water. It smells like sweet mustard. So next is the whole step for the green beans, but that's not important. So the chicken. Pat the chicken dry with paper towels, blah, 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 salt and pepper, and then enough of the curry powder on both sides. You may have extra. Heat 2 teaspoons of olive oil and cook 6 to 7 minutes on each side. Bang. It's the quicker booster upper. Not sponsored. Okay, rice is toasted, so now it's time for the water. Salt. So it's at a big pinch, so hopefully that's enough. Okay, so now we gotta let this heat to a boil. And then, what did I say? Oh, once boiling, reduce heat, cover, cook 13 minutes. Okay, it's not boiling. Right, back to the chicken. What the hell? Oh, wow. I don't remember turning that on. That's gonna be very loud. Curry powder. If you hear that scraping, the dogs are in the room and they're trying to, I think, come out or something. I don't know what they're messing around with in there with my boy. Okay. Are you guys ready? Because this is gonna be loud. I don't know where my tongs are. Those are the big ones. I don't use the big ones. Oh, it's not that bad. Okay. 6 minutes. So we're gonna cook that up and then finish the rice. And then we'll come back once we're so we're gonna cook that up, finish the rice, and then when we come back, we'll finish the sauce that goes on the chicken. So stay tuned, guys. No double chin. Double chin. No double chin. Double chin. No double chin. Double chin. All right, so time's up. Chicken's done. Rice should be done. Almost at check. Yeah. So for the rice, you want to fluff it up with a fork and then just let it chill out. And then chicken, we're gonna move it and let it chill also. So now it's time to make the sauce. Okay. Reserved fond. We're gonna add the sauce. Let's turn this back on. There, okay. Right, okay. So we're adding the chutney sauce, the water. It says cook, stirring frequently and scraping up any fond 30 seconds to 1 minute or until slightly thickened. Then you turn off the heat and stir in the cream until combined. Okay, nice and thick. Now the cream. Okay, it's all incorporated. Sauce is done. Now I'm gonna cut the chicken crosswise, plate it, and then we'll get the show on the road. So hang on. All right, here we are. Here's the final product, chicken rice. So let's try it. Okay, this is really good. I'm gonna give this a 10 out of 10. No. Yeah, 10 out of 10. The chicken it's crunchy on the outside. I like that. The sauce is a little tangy. You can't really taste the sweetness that much because of the curry powder. But the chicken is juicy, very well seasoned with the salt. As far as the rice, it's very fluffy. It's typical white rice. Mustard seeds don't really do anything for it. But I like white rice, so it's fine. All right, so that's all I have for you today. for this. Stay tuned for part 2. Hey guys, welcome back. So now we're gonna get into the review of the entire meal kit delivery service. Blue Apron was pretty good. Delivery was always on time. I got it every week without fail. There was nothing wrong with the products except actually 1 week I did get 4 of those little knick-knack bags with all like the seasonings and stuff, but I only ordered 2, so I got 2 extra ones minus all of the rest of the ingredients. So I kind of had like a lot of leftover products that I never used, and I ended up having to get rid of them, so that sucks. I mean, I didn't have to pay for it, but it's still a waste of food. All of the food was really good. I really think that a lot of the under seasoning was my fault because I was scared to use too much salt. But the burgers are amazing. Chicken, I love chicken, so it was really good. The app was really user-friendly. I like that. A lot of the meals were like 30 to 45 minutes. What I liked about Home Chef was that they offered the oven-ready meals. So all you do is throw everything in the oven-safe pan and then throw it in, so that took no time at all. And while it's baking, you can do other things. With Blue Apron, well, you have to be there cooking, and I didn't see any of those like 15-minute meal kits or super quick, just quick throw it together meals. So that was a con. Now, as far as the pricing goes, I paid about $48 every week for 2 servings, 2 nights a week. I'd say that's pretty good. There was only one time that I paid $60, and that was when I switched out their sirloin steak for a New York steak, a New York strip. But the price stayed the same the whole way through. All in all, I would recommend Blue Apron if you have the time. So my ratings, or like the standing right now is Home Chef is number 1, Blue Apron number 2. I'm sorry, HelloFresh is number 1, Blue Apron 2nd place, and Home Chef 3rd place. Now Home Chef, I'm probably gonna give it another shot, but not until I'm done with all of the other services I have lined up. So now the moment you guys have been waiting for, which I'm super excited. Our next review is gonna be for the Martha and Marley Spoon meal kit delivery service. I've already gotten my first box, so the first video should be up soon. So stay tuned. Please remember to like my video, subscribe to the channel if you aren't, and turn on your little notification bell. That way you can be notified when I upload the next video. And you guys, I will see you at the next episode. Have a good night. Toodaloo.